Hello, hello, hello! For today's video, samahan niyo akong magtingin-tingin sa mga sale dito sa Carter's at Oshkosh. So, itong video na to, before pa to mag-winter. So, pumasok kami dyan kasi nga, usually, bumibili ako ng pang-summer kapag papasok na yung winter kasi minamassive sale nila yan, guys. So, ayan, ang dami kong kinuha pero hindi ko yan binili lahat. Joke lang. Char ko lang yan. Pinagpilian ko lang talaga siya, guys, kung ano yung mas mura at mas okay yung kwalidad. Ito ay para sa mga girls. Ang totoo niyan, guys, naghahanap talaga kami ng snow pants para kay Kuya Kian. Pero wala kaming nakita at nakita kong may additional 50% off sa clearance. So kaya hinalubhub ko, ano ba yun? Paano ba yun sabihin? Kaya, yan, giukay na ko ang mga sale. So, pinagtitingnan ko yung mga sale, guys, kasi nga, parang mura na lang siya kasi additional 50 pa sa marked off na price. So, ayan, ang daming pagpipilian. May iba't ibang sizes, ang daming design, may mga t-shirt, may mga blouse, at iba't iba yung kulay, guys. So, samahan nyo akong piliin kung ano yung gusto kong bilhin para kay Kayla for next summer.
Post lang ta, no? Ngita to dari og mga sando-sando. So, $4.99. $4.99. So, much cheaper pa man siya. Sakto siguro ng Kayla sa midsummer. Kayla, come! Come! Come sa! Siya, tanawa. Oh, kasi kayo, maybe. Hey, dako man na nimo. Hmm? Still too big for you.
Kasi you want some nice
Yes, bitaw ni diri Kayla.
mermaid. Mermaid.
How my mermaid?
Mermaid.
Mermaid. Bet, tanaw tong precious mermaid.
This one too.
$8.99 di ka
This
pasar.
one too.
Kanilang Kayla kata 4 o 2. Ay. Uy, $8.99 lagi din eh. Hindi pwede $8.99.
And the mermaid too.
Puti.
And can you buy the yellow one?
Kanawa Gusma. Kung saan mo pwede ang gusto? Yellow. Tsaka man na. Tsaka man na.
Diba?
Kung saan naman yung kipanguha?
I like mermaid.
This is too small.
I like. Okay.
Okay, put it back.
We're not getting this. But I like the mermaid.
But it's expensive man.
But mom.
$8.99 na o dili na pwede, di na pwede. O tanan, let's go. We're not getting this. So we have to put this back. You want to take the mermaid instead. Okay, go. Go. Sige. Okay, we'll put it back. You want this instead. What size is this? Does this fit you? Sige, let's go. Go. Show to daddy. Smile now. Smile to daddy now. O, tana, let's go. That's it. What's it? Do you like it?
How much is this?
How much? Oh,
Look at me.
look at daddy. Oh, it looks pretty. Nice. You like it? Okay, next.
Now.
Ayun na, guys, nabudol na naman ako ni Kayla. Nakabili kami ng 3 atang summer blouse. Tapos si Kian, hindi namin nabilhan ng snow pants. Sa ibang store na lang siguro namin siya bibilhan. At yun lang, uuwi na kami. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on our next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye!